Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya Hlazia.
Hey guys, it's a good thing ukuthi Untanzi is actually standing up for himself. Angadlali ubalo, he's not backing down. Untanzi is just like, you know what? Why didn't you just consult when Nabo Kininda? If you came to consultations and found out why they were giving me the 3 million, mina phela I'm not giving off emkhulu. So why are you asking me what was I gonna gain from that? You know? He is standing up for himself, which is a very, very good thing because they played this guy. For 5 years because of Brigadier Kininda and his rogue ways. That's just crazy, guys. That's just like so unfair how Mnisi was putting it to good. It's so unfair. How you even busy asking this guy go to which police station? There was no police station that was counted here, or there was no police station that was mentioned, actually. The name of the police station was never necessarily mentioned. And Untanzi is also saying, guys, I was shot and murdered. The shower. Everything was happening to me. So basically, how am I supposed to remember anything and everything? Actually, those are small things for me to remember such, you know?
Yeah. The proposition was the following, says, thank you. So the point of correction is that you arrived at Pretoria Police Station. It was on a Sunday, a day before he was taken to the dentist, because he was taken to the dentist on the 22nd of June, but we came to see him on the 21st, I believe because it was a Sunday. That is when you apologized to him. You requested him to work with you, to cooperate, and that is when you offered him 3 million.
Lana ke uyakulungisa ke lokwaqeda ukusho ke ubaba uBaloyi ukuthi ke kwakungasiyona ke i20 kodwa ke kwakuyi21 inkulumo ihamba ngalendlela ke uthi kwakunge21 zika June 2020 ilanga la khona ngesonto kwakuyilanga ke ngaphambi kokuthi ke ahanjiswe kudokotela wamazinyo ngoba kudokotela wamazinyo wahanjiswa nge22 zika June 2020 ila owafika khona ke kusho kwaKungomezulu utsho kuGininda ila owafika khona ke wena wase uxolisa ke kuyena futhi ke imali ke owamthembisa yona ke kwaku 3 million.
Yebo ngiyazi ngosengela.
Yes, I hear my lord.
Kodwa mina date ngathi ngisayikhumbule kahle nosuku nje ukuthi kwazazi engaka ngalokho suku.
But the date as well as the day, my lord, I can't remember.
Ngoba mawuhlukumeza izinto eziningi ayihlale nje njengama date nana nje izinto ezincane lezo.
Because the little things or the minor things, my lord, when you are being traumatized, those things you are unable to keep them.
The proposition continues. This is when you apologized to him, you requested him to work with you, to cooperate, and that is when you offered him 3 million.
Ila owazoxolisa ke kuyena uyaqhubeka ke ubaba uNgomezulu utshela yena uBrigadier Gininda ila owaxolisa ke kuyena wase umcela ke ukuthi ke asebenzisane ke nawe ila owamthembisa khona u3 million.
Yeah.
Yes.
You offered him 3 million as long as he's going to make sure that he's implicating the right people.
Wamthembisa ke u3 million ukuthi ke umthembisa kodwa lo 3 million uthi ke kuyena ke uma nje engathi ke afake ecaleni abantu ekuyibona.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what did the offer entail? You pleading guilty or you implicating the right people as is stated here?
Manje ke kule deal lena yayithini kahle kahle le deal. Le deal lena ingabe yayithi wena uvume icala noma le deal le yayithi wena ufake ecaleni abantu ekuyibona. Yayithini kahle kahle deal.
Kusenkantolo mina ngangishaywa ngibuzwa ngokufa kukaSenzo.
My lord, I was being assaulted and asked about the death of Senzo.
ngoba nasebodroom Nkosi enkantolo mina ngilokhu ngishilo ukuthi labantu angibuza ngabo angibazi mina.
Because even in the boardroom, I kept on saying that the people that you are asking me about, I don't know them.
Yingakho ngangimtshela naye elanga efika nalele because ngithi mina angifune imali yakho wena izinto ongibuza zona angizazi ayikho into engiyaziyo.
Hence, I told him on the day he came with this, my lord, that I don't want the money, I don't want your money. Even the things you are asking me about, I don't know them.
Now, where was this money going to come from?
Ingabe imali lena yayizoqhamuka kuphi?
Mina ngiyazi kuya ngathi la iphoyisa elikhulu usho njalo ecourt angiyazi imali kuya.
I don't know. Is that not how he said or he referred to himself in the court that he was the most senior police officer?
It is not yet clear how would you have benefited from the deal?
Ayikavelike noma akukacacike ukuthi ke wawuzozuza kanjani kule deal lena.
Lento icace bha Nkosi enkantolo ngoba wayefuna ukungenzisa ubugebengu.
This is crystal clear, my lord, because he wanted me to commit crime.
Yes, but how would you have benefited?
Kodwa ke ukuzuza wawuzozuza kanjani wena? Yini wawuzozuza noma wawuzozuza kanjani?
Nkosi enkantolo ingakho nje ngenqaba ngoba ngangingafuni into ezongidibanisa nezinto lezi ezifana nalezi ingakho nje ngayinqaba namanje ngimla phambi kwecourt.
Which is why I refused, my lord, because I did not want things such as those. I did not want to be involved in such things. Hence, I refused.
Do you agree that the allegation regarding the 3 million deal does not appear in the paragraph that we dealt with before the long adjournment, where you say Mr. Mjiako wanted you to plead guilty to the murder charge?
Ingabe uyabona la umshushisi la afunda khona uthi kwakuyinkulumo kaBaba uMngomezulu ehlobo imibuzo kuyena uBaba uGininda. Manje ke la esifunde khona la usho khona izizathu sokuthi kwakungani usungasaqhubeki noMjiyako ukuthi lo daba lolu ka 3 million alukho la. Uyavuma yini? Alibhaliwe la.
Nkosi enkantolo alibhaliwe mara ngiyalikhuluma phambi kwakho mina.
Yes, it's not written here, but I am mentioning it in before you.
Ngoba angiqala ukukhuluma lapha ecourt.
Because I'm not mentioning it for the first time here in court.
But you say there is a whole basis why Mr. Mjiako wanted you to plead guilty, but it's not mentioned here.
Kodwa ke uyasho ukuthi ke kwakuyiyona ke kwakuyilona lona daba lokuthi ke umnumzana uMjiyako afune ukuthi uvume icala kodwa akukho la.
Nkosi enkantolo ngiyathemba eBospec ngikhuluma amahlandla amaningi angase ngizokhuluma kwadala umbuzo ngophendula lapha phambi kwenkosi enkantolo.
My lord, I believe that I spoke a couple of times in Boksburg, and here before this court I've been answering this question for so many times.
Number 2, la phambi kwecourt naseBospec ngoba ngitshela icourt ukuthi ngizamile ukuphakamisa isandla ngizama ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma namanje ngoba ngithi nje ukhuluma umshushisi uthi wena lapha kubhaliwe ngazi ngale into engabhaliwe mina la.
Even in Boksburg, I did mention this before this court that in Boksburg I tried on quite a number. I tried to raise my hand, but I could not get assistance. And how do I know as to what is recorded here and what is not recorded? That it's not recorded here, but I'm still mentioning it to the court.
And again, on the 21st, the date which is mentioned by Mr. Ngomezulu, you were detained at Primrose and not at Pretoria Mood Police Station.
Futhi ke nangazo i21 leziyana ke uBaba uMngomezulu akhuluma ngazo ke wawuvalelwe ePrimrose wawungavalelwe ePretoria Mood.
Nkosi enkantolo noba uRamsipin noba uMngomezulu azange ngathi mina la iprostation soya iprostation engiyazi ngathi mina lapha ePitoli ngihlale amaprostation amaningi la engawazi amagama awo.
My lord, with Mr. Ramusipile as well as Mr. Ngomezulu, I was never specific as to a police station. I just said here in Pretoria, I was kept at different police stations.
Yes, but the fact of the matter is the alleged visit occurred at initially Mr. Mgomezulu said Primrose Police Station, but then he corrected himself after consulting with you and said it was at Pretoria Police Station.
Kodwa ke engikhulumayo noma engikushoyo kuwena ukuthi kwakuwubaba uMngomezulu ngesikhathi ke ethula ke inkulumo enkantolo noma ke ehloma uBrigadier Gininda ngemibuzo waqale wathi ke kwakuse Pretoria Mood wasecela isikhathi ke sokuthi ke ajikeke ayokhulumisana nawe uma ebuya kuwena wathi cha uyakulungisa ke lokho akushilo bangasiyona ePretoria Mood kodwa kwakuyi Pretoria Police Station.
Angiyazi ne-Pretoria Police Station ke TV mhlambe kuphi la ePretoria.
I don't even know where Pretoria Police Station is here in Pretoria.
Ngoba lokho ngishilo phambi kodwa nahlala ama-police station amaningi la ngingawazi namanye ukuthi ungaphuma ungene kuwo.
Because as I mentioned before the court that I was at different police stations and I would not even be able to identify and say you came out of here and you entered through here.
So you're still not able to tell as to what this deal entailed, what should have happened?
Kunamanje ke awazi ukuthi ideal lena kwakuzokwenzekani kahle kahle noma kwakuyini ekule deal lena noma yayithini le deal le.
Kwesenkantolo angazi ngizophendula kangaka umbuzo kodwa ngizophendula mase kaningi ngoba ngithi mina babalo ideal eyaleli icala enginathi fanele ngivume icala ngibosho ukuthi ngiboshela intenga yazi kuthiwa ngabulala usenzo mina azange ngibulala usenzo mina namanje phambi kwecourt ngiyafuna ukwazi ukuthi ngibani wabulala usenzo.
I am saying, I don't know how many times I've answered this question, but I'm still going to answer it. The deal was that I plead guilty to this matter, and now I was supposed to plead guilty for something that I don't know. Up until today, I still want to know as to who killed Senzo, because I never killed Senzo Meyiwa.
But the 3 million and the guilty plea, how do they relate?
U3 million, nokuvuma icala, kwakuhlangana kanjani?
Lo mbuzo ngabe umusho ubufekisela wayengitshela lo 3 million kube mhlawumbe ohlala nawo contract ngabe ku right.
That's a good question, but only if it was directed to the person who said that. If you had sat down with that person and consulted, it would have been
Ngoba
okay.
mina wayengitshena wayengangibuzwa wayengitshena.
Because to me it was an instruction, not a question.
And how does Mr. Mjiako get involved in the deal?
Kwi-deal lena ke umjiyako yena uhlangana kanjani ke noma uhlangana kuphi ke ne-Devian?
Kwesenkantolo okokuqala umjiyaka ngimbiza ngathi azongimela.
Firstly, my lord, I never called Mjiako to come and represent me.
Ukuthi udibana naphi ne-deal. Ngabe lo mbuzo omuhle kubulapho wabuzwa yena lapha ecourt ukuthi udibana kanjani ne-deal ngoba kwamina ngangamqashanga.
As to how how does he fit into the deal, it would have been a good question if he was called or he was here and asked as to how is his involvement with the deal, because I never appointed him.
Nanokuthi mangizoya ecourt eRustenburg mangizoya ecourt ePostburg wayetshena ubani namanje ngiyafuna ukwazi ukuthi ngibani lo muntu oyimupha yonke le ndlela lengihambayo.
Also the fact that if I was to go to court in Boksburg, if I was to go to court in Rustenburg, who was giving him this information?
Do you agree that this allegation of on the part of Mr. Mjiako, if proven, constitute misconduct, dishonesty and unethical behavior on the part of Mr. Mjiako?
Ingabe uyavuma yini uma kuukuthi noma uma kungatholakala ukuthi lokhu noma lentsholo noma lokhu okwashiwo uyena kumnumzana uMjiyako kungaholela ekuthini ke ukungayiphathi ngendlela ekuyiyona noma ke ukungenzi noma ungayiphathi kahle ngendlela efanelekile uma kungatholakala ukuthi ngempela kuyiqiniso lokho ukuthi lokho kuholela ekungayiphathini kahle?
Namanje ngakho ngithatha isinqumo phambi kweNkosi eKatolo yaseRustenburg ukuthi ake ngitshene phambi kweKatolo ukuthi uqasho ubani utshene ubani ukuthi ngeze court.
Hence, I took that decision before the court or in court in Rustenburg that he needed to tell the court as to who appointed him.
Namanje mina akaze livele iphepha ekuthiwa ngathi sayine lapha ngavuma ngathi ungummeli wami akaze livele lapha ecourt la lokho ngikhona lapha kweKatolo.
And there's never been a document that has been produced with an indication that I signed confirming that he was representing me. Such a document was never produced.
Now, when you allege that Brigadier Ginida came to see you, was he alone or was he in the company of someone else?
Nanjengoba
Of other
uthi
people?
ke uBrigadier Gininda weza ke ezokubona weza ehamba yedwa noma kunomuntu owayehamba naye.
Ngiphinde ngachaza enkantolo ngathi Nkosi enkantolo uze bebe yi3 ngumhula uMabhena nguyo uGinenda eseleni ngakhishwa uMabhena.
I did say it, my lord, that they were 3. It was Mukhula, Mabena, and Gininda, and the person that took me out of the cells, it was Mabena.
Yes. And then what happened?
Kwasekwenzekani?
Kuyilesi sikhathi ngiphuma nawo uMabhena ngithola umhula nawo uGinenda kuye le ndlu lencanyanyana le.
That's when I went out and then found Gininda and Mukhula in that little house.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kuyilesi sikhathi ke singaboni ngesolo enyangitshela wona indaba zama-deals about 3 million ngaphuma futhi ngayihambela.
That's when we had this disagreement, and he was telling me about the 3 million deal, and I just walked out.
You say this happened in the presence of Sergeant Mohola?
Uthi lokho kwenzeke khona Mukhula.
Ngiyethemba ngokosithathu ngophinda ngikuphendula ngithi yebo.